In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks for QuickBooks. If you've been meaning to print professional checks that align perfectly with your QuickBooks setup, this walkthrough will show you the simplest built-in way to get them. Start by opening QuickBooks and making sure you're in the correct company file. If you manage more than one company, glance at the company name so the right information will appear on your check order later. From your QuickBooks dashboard, look to the top left and click New. Depending on your view, this button may also show a plus icon. This opens the menu of transactions you can create. Choose Get Check. This brings up the check entry window, which is the same place you go when you record a check. Along the bottom area of this check window, you'll see an option labeled Order Checks. Go ahead and click that. QuickBooks will take you to the official check ordering page that's designed to work with your QuickBooks printing settings. On that page, you can select the exact checks you want to order. This is where you match the check style to the way you print. If you print one check with stubs for payroll or vendor remittances, look for voucher-style checks with one check and two stubs. If you prefer multiple checks per sheet to save paper, you might choose a 3-to-a-page style. Make sure the checks you pick are compatible with your printer type, whether that's laser or inkjet, and if you use window envelopes, choose a layout that aligns the address correctly. Pay attention to details like color, security features, and quantity. Security options such as microprint, heat-sensitive ink, and tamper-evident paper help protect your business against fraud, so they're worth considering. Also, double-check that the company name and address shown on the preview match what you want printed. If you recently updated your branding or address in QuickBooks, confirm those changes are reflected before you move forward. A quick review here helps avoid reprints later. That's all there is to it. By starting from New, selecting Check, and using the Order Checks button on the check window, you're routed to the right catalog, so the checks you choose align with QuickBooks formatting. Once you've selected the check style that fits your workflow, you're set to complete your order through the prompts on the screen whenever you're ready. If you ever change printers or check styles down the road, you can repeat these steps to pick a format that best matches your new setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy printing clean, professional checks that work seamlessly with your QuickBooks records.